going to use cloudHQ's free Gmail templates extension to convert an email I received into my own hauntingly customizable template. I have this festive Halloween email in my inbox, and I would love to reskin it to offer my clients an extra sweet Halloween treat. After I install this extension from the Google Chrome Web Store, I'll click on the Save To button here and select Convert to Template. That's it! With one click, I've just converted this email into my own template that I can customize with my own devilish delights. If I click this Download button, I can easily edit this ghostly email template in Gmail. I'm gonna swap out this logo for mine. I want to get a little spookier with this cover image, so I'll add my own. I'm gonna adjust some of the copy. I'll link these social media icons to my own social pages. And so my trick-or-treaters know where to knock, I'll change this to my address. When I'm finished customizing, I can even attach my full spa menu to this email. Now I can send it to my customers by blind copying them all. Or I can use cloudHQ's email marketing app called MailKing.io to send out my email blast. Now I'm ready for a terrifyingly busy Halloween sale. And with the help of this email, I'll scare up a monster profit. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.